Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 gets some good news. Galaxy Z Fold 4 S Pen is confirmed, and yes, you guys will get a matching S Pen with the Z Fold 4. Meanwhile, you guys may get disappointed with the price for Z Fold 4, but not much. We're 5 days away from Samsung's official Unpack event, which is going to feature Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. You guys will get a couple of advantages if you pre-order Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 or either of these devices. And you guys can reserve your Galaxy device now, and get up to 200 credit for all of these 3 devices. Back in the days, we are starting getting leaks regarding the Z Fold 4 built-in S Pen. But all of those rumors were busted months ago, but it was not confirmed if you were getting additional S Pen support with the Z Fold 4 or not. And now the answer is yes. As Anthony shared a Z Fold 4 case, which you now will get a matching S Pen with USB Z Fold 4. Now previous cases don't have an S Pen support. So this is now clear, we are getting a S Pen case with the Z Fold 4 and there is no built-in S Pen. Meanwhile, the price of a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a bit high compared to the previous generation, and this didn't happen just with the Z Fold 4. But all of these devices have a small price jump compared to the previous generation. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 for 256 gigs version will cost the same as €1,800, but the 512 gigs version will cost around €1,919, which is €20 more than previous generation, which is not bad. But we're expecting the price drop on these devices, since Samsung is using third-party retailer for the Z Fold 4 parts, but this didn't happen this time, maybe because of chip shortage. And now the chances are getting low for the 128GB version and 1TB version, since nobody is talking about it and no price leak either. But maybe Samsung might come with a special edition variants in some regions. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with the Super UDG Ultra Thin Glass, which was rumored before just to make Z Fold 4 more durable. And in addition to that, Samsung also included a better hinge, which has already reduced the crease, and make the overall phone smaller than the previous generation and also a wider one. Which case you will get with S Pen or without S Pen, and what are your thoughts on Z Fold 4 pricing? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Of course, for all the latest updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.